Hello everyone! In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best DJ mixer options for beginners, offering product reviews for a variety of aspiring DJs, and a range of models to suit a variety of budgets and brand loyalties. All product links are available in the description. You can check them out for the best prices. Let's start. 1. Behringer DDM-4000 Digital DJ Mixer. With so many different formats, features, and brand names, choosing your first DJ mixer can be a daunting task for a novice DJ. The DDM-4000 is not a clean, simple mixer. In fact, the first thing you'll notice is that it has more buttons and knobs than a fighter jet. That's because the DDM-4000 tries to do something that only a handful of mixers have managed to do: provide all the features of a top-of-the-line mixer at an entry-level price. 2. Pioneer DJ DJM-250MK2. Whether you're just starting out on your DJ journey or you're already playing but want a simple home setup for practice, the two-channel Pioneer DJ DJM-250MK2 has all the basics, including a great crossfader and per-channel filters, and the familiar Pioneer DJ Club look and feel. But it's also an audio interface that works with Rekordbox DJ software, unlocked, and Rekordbox DVS, and lets you scratch with your turntables. 3. Reloop RMX-95. The Reloop RMX-95 stands out as a great choice for DJs looking for a high-performance club mixer with premium sound, advanced connectivity options, and full integration with DJ Paro AI software. The 24-bit dual 10-in-out USB audio interface and USB hub provide excellent sound quality and flexible connectivity, allowing for seamless transitions between DJs and maximum setup flexibility for a single club night. The mixer's digital architecture also allows it to be converted into an individually mappable MIDI controller, further enhancing its versatility. 4. Numark M2. Numark also produces impressive mid- and pro-level DJ gear, but has long been a preferred choice at the entry level of the market. The M2 is the most basic of the DJ mixers. It has two channels, each of which can be switched between line and phono inputs for connecting CDJs or turntables. Each channel has a fader, a separate gain knob, 3-band EQ, and a crossfader for blending or cutting between the two channels. 5. Allen & Heath Xone. Allen & Heath and Pioneer are sworn enemies in the DJ gear camp. While Pioneer has the edge in popularity, Allen & Heath wins in sound quality. One of the most interesting and well-reviewed intro-level DJ mixers is the Allen & Heath Xone 23 two-channel mixer. FYI, Xone is pronounced like Zone. It's surprisingly affordable for such a high-quality piece of gear, costing hundreds of dollars less than the Pioneer DJM-350. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.